Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math in Class 12. To begin, focus on building a strong foundation. Ensure you understand every concept fully before tackling new ones. Consistent daily practice is crucial for solidifying your knowledge and boosting your problem-solving speed. Regularly reviewing earlier topics will help maintain a continuous and robust understanding of the subject. Next, adopt smart study strategies. Don't just stick to one textbook. Explore diverse problems from various sources to broaden your understanding. Pinpoint your specific weak areas and dedicate extra time to mastering them. Collaborating in study groups or using online resources can provide fresh perspectives and additional support. When preparing for exams, simulate test conditions by solving past papers within strict time limits. Develop brief, clear revision notes for each chapter, making quick reviews efficient. During the actual exam, allocate your time wisely to ensure you attempt all questions and avoid rushing through complex problems. Finally, consistency and mindset are key. Stick to a regular study schedule, even if it's just for 1 hour each day. Never hesitate to ask teachers or classmates for help when you encounter difficulties. Approaching challenging problems with a positive and persistent attitude will significantly enhance your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.